So guys, this is going to be a very special video, and it's going to be one you are not going to want to miss. So make sure you stick around just for these few quick minutes that I have for you. Now, this was a very unplanned video, and what happened was I literally just got home from school and I logged onto my computer, and then I saw this special offer, special limited time offer that is going on at the moment on this website I'm about to show you. And well, I just thought, oh my god, I have to make a video on this because I really did not want you guys to miss out. We're just going to dive straight into it because I want to upload this video as quickly as possible so you guys aren't missing out at all. Now, the site is Creative Fabrica, and if you want to go to Creative Fabrica, make sure you click the link in my description below. I'll leave it right there for you guys and it will take you straight to the site. And I've talked a lot about Creative Fabrica in the past, and it's really great software if you're looking to really boost your low content and no content book business, as it's got very unique stuff on there. And if you're wanting to know what kind of stuff you can get in Creative Fabrica, or if you have a look down here, you've got this massive collection fonts bundle, that's one of them, another fonts bundle, different graphics, all sorts of different things like this. These are just all the popular ones. You can see all of these, and you can also get low content book interiors. If I type that in, low content book interiors, you get so many, and I'm sure you guys have heard me talk about it before in the past because I really talk very greatly about this website. And well, if you wanted to purchase these graphics or fonts or whatever for a one-time purchase, what would happen is, for this one, like this massive collection fonts bundle, you would have to pay $9 that one-time purchase. Or you can pay for their subscription, and their subscription is normally $29 per month. And already, I thought that was a really good value for money, because if you think about it, you could buy 3 of these massive collection fonts bundle, and that's already up to that almost $29 per month. Whereas with the $29 per month, you could download everything, anything and everything that you wanted off Creative Fabrica with no extra cost. But the special limited time offer Creative Fabrica is doing for you guys is they are having a special offer of only $10 per month subscription rather than the normal $29 per month. And that is incredible. That is amazing value for money, and this will really boost your low content book business. But as you can see, there is only 114 subscriptions left for the $10, and then you get 250 of the $11, 250 of the $12, 250 of the $13, $14, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, and already you can see the $9 subscription offer has already run out. 250 people have already bought it. And honestly, I'm not joking, every time I refresh this site, the number of subscriptions left is dropping every time. So I do not want you guys to miss out on this. And well, I really hope you can be one of those 114 people. So make sure you click the link in my description, and it will literally take you straight to Creative Fabrica, where you can click on the subscription promo and you'll be able to purchase this limited special offer. And I don't know when they're going to be doing this special offer again. That is why I'm trying to create this video as quickly as possible, because I really do not want you guys to miss out. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that, and well, go to Creative Fabrica right now, purchase this subscription, and you will not regret it. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.